Well, I just done goofed and opened 39 million food. And so now I'm trying to figure out how to use as much as possible, as quick as possible. And I thought I was going to end up being able to upgrade this, but I think I'm just short in silver, and I don't really want to spend all my gold. So I will go over here and upgrade my stables, because I guess that's probably the closest I'm going to get. And potentially I'll speed these guys up. Let's see if I can do these too. Shoot, I'm like 70k silver. Doop. Shit. How fun. So
that's great. Very sexy.
That's what I was going for.
Very mysterious.
making sure I don't have anything oddly in other places.
Well, the bit of this whole professional photographer thing is just an elaborate ploy to get me naked.
Very funny.
Funny but true. I'm going to leave the water.
So I'm gonna have a ton of extra. Oh wait, I have some here. Da da da. Good. That's good. Let's see if there's a farm over here. So I'm gonna send food to the farm.
You know you want to.
And all of my troop buildings are gonna be at 28.
You're really talented. Serious. Why aren't you off shooting the cover of National Geographic or something?
Shoot.
That was the plan.
Yeah?
So
I was
shoot, I have no silver whatsoever. This stinks. Let's see if I can accomplish anything.
idea what my life was going to look like. Then I met Jack. The next thing I knew, I was dropping out,
No.
falling across the world. Plans change.
No.
Sometimes I imagine there's
Definitely
this
no.
other version of me out there. Taking pictures, learning languages, eating spicy, exotic food.
It's never too late to change directions in our life.
You don't have kids. And they change everything.
Use a tad bit more there. That really wasn't anything.
Dreams for them. Timmy and Lena are the best things that have ever happened to me. I just sometimes need to be reminded. I'm here too.
Yes, you are.
So I'll just send the rest of my 10 million over here, and that sucked because that was like a fourth of the resources I needed for 29, and I just spent them on shit. Like absolute junk that I did not want or need. Oops. Oh well. Life goes on.
You're home late.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I haven't done this sooner in the game
Putting together
than today.
proposal for the new arts program.
That sounds great. We're watching Twilight. I'm pulling for Team Edward. Is this a sparkling?